RYOBI is taking charge in electrostatic spray technology. The RYOBI 18V ONE Handheld Electrostatic Sprayer saves time, chemicals, and money. It starts instantly, and with electrostatic technology, covers surfaces faster with less chemical usage and better results than traditional sprayers. By activating the electrostatic feature, spray solution is charged when passing through the nozzle, allowing it to adhere and wrap surfaces more efficiently. As the most ergonomic electrostatic sprayer, it's ideal for small and large area applications using disinfectants, cleaning solutions, and deodorizers. The adjustable nozzle has 3 settings, at 50, 75, and 100 microns, and sprays up to 5 feet. Fill-ups are fast and hassle-free with the removable 1-liter tank with measurement increments. And it's all powered by a RYOBI 18V ONE+ battery, so you can tackle any job. The RYOBI 18V ONE+ Handheld Electrostatic Sprayer, part of the ONE+ system. Available exclusively at the Home Depot Pro.